Hey, what's up everyone? This is the watch list video for Thursday, July 21st, showing you the SPY as I always start off with. We kind of broke above. We've been in a range from here down to here, and we've broken above that range, but at the same time we've been running for, with the exception of this red day, running for a week straight. That doesn't mean I have any kind of bias for what's going to happen tomorrow. It could go straight up, straight down, sideways, gap up, gap down. I have no idea, which is why I'm a day trader, right? I'm in cash every night, and then I find stuff on an intraday basis. So before I get to the watch list for tomorrow, I've got a few screenshots. SIDU called right through 4 there. It ended up going higher than that, but I just took a quick screenshot. What I hope you notice is that this is for people that aren't in the chat room, is that the stuff we call should work right away. We're very particular about our entries. We focus on a certain type of entry that should work right away. Here's another example, and my post in the chat, you can see it right there. EVTL, once it broke 6, it's kind of off to the races. Another one, GOEV, once we broke through that 414, which was a 2-day high, there's the early high, there's yesterday's high. They both were the same number. Once we broke through, that was off to the races. And then probably the call of the day, Cyrano. If coin doesn't completely roll over back through 71 with high of day 71.32, it's interesting, meaning there's the earlier high, 71.32. Whole number inflection point back through 71, second mouse, then you light up the new highs ticker, taking out the earlier high, and then it was squeezing away. It ended up going, I think, to 79 maybe at its best, which was an $8 move, and a great post. Cyrano is kind of like a rising chat room star too, so, and that's great. We got a lot of chat room stars that are free with their time, with their posts, with what they're seeing, and very happy to post things before they trigger, which is why I just made another video how our chat room is pretty much a scanner like Trade Ideas, only I would argue maybe a little better, because we got a whole bunch of people looking for what we teach, if that makes any sense. All right, I'm done babbling. I'm going to get to the watch list for tomorrow. Remember, I'm in cash every night, so I'm looking for things that may give me a trade tomorrow. SDIG, nice breakout today. We'll see if we get any kind of follow-through setup tomorrow. Netflix, I did not type that right. Netflix broke above this long base down here on earnings today, and a strong close, so definitely want to keep our eyes on that one tomorrow. TBLT, and this thing doesn't look like much, but almost 60 million shares, and if I hover over this, you can see the prices over here. This actually had big range. Again, it doesn't look like much because it's all kind of smashed together. Since back here it was $55. It's probably split adjusted, but anyway. 518 was the high and the low was 337. So that was a huge percentage move. I did call, and I didn't even post this one, I did call a FI's buy zone, which is basically right around here in the mid, right around 440, and it ended up going back up to 520. So even when you miss a big move like this, a pullback play can still play nicely. Anyway, we're going to watch that one again tomorrow. AEHR, big breakout today. It's extended, but we'll keep it on watch all week. ALLK, this is kind of my sleeper pick. Oh, that's pretty good volume, 4.4 million shares coming off of a chart bottom here. We'll see if that one gives a follow through. I think it's a fairly low floater. DMTK, yesterday's high had that big move, 811. Today's high, 810. So over that 2-day high, super interesting. HNST, this is kind of another sleeper pick. Had that little mini breakout yesterday and a quiet inside day today, looking for a 3rd-day play. SKYX, after this big pop, couple days kind of flagging, looking for a long setup there. Tilray pot stock trying to break out to the upside out of this maybe 1-month range. GRRR, I don't know. I keep going back to this because I love the symbol, right? But anyway, had a crazy 2-day move after IPOing, and then 3 days in a row down. Very narrow range today, though. But I would point out 79,000 all day. So this is probably something I shouldn't be watching because it's stupid thin. But maybe we see some kind of big volume push, and then it gives a bounce play entry tomorrow. But stupid thin. And lastly, I'm going to put FFIE on watch, which had a big run, and now 3 days down, three pretty harsh days down. I'm just looking for a bounce play tomorrow. We get, you guys in the chat room, we know the setups for bounce plays. If we get one, we'll take the trade. In addition to that, we'll look for gappers in the pre-market, add those to our list, and there should be plenty to trade tomorrow. I had a really nice day today. I'm done babbling. See you guys in the chat room.